In landscape photography, we're always looking for that nice frame. Sometimes we have to put things in the foreground to make it a little bit more interesting. And here, I've been kind of jumping from rock to rock to try to find an interesting composition. And I found this one here with this rock, and it's pretty good. But as I've been sitting here, I'm seeing all these beautiful red leaves float by, and there are no leaves on any of these rocks that are red or perfectly representing the fall colors. So I actually went around and found some. A good photography tip is if you can't find the perfect foreground, sometimes you can make it. If you've ever seen those shots with the perfectly framed fall color maple leaves in the foreground on the rock, now you see that it usually doesn't happen organically.